let's talk PR packages and what goodies we may have been sent in the last couple days. Hi, I'm Linda from A Labor of Life, and today I'm going to do something just a little bit different. I'm going to go over a couple of PR packages that have been sent to me, and then later on I will share the results after I've had a chance to try them out a little bit. So let's start with, I always say this one, right? Sahajan, which is a skincare company here in Canada. If you recall, I shared earlier in some reels, link that right up here, of their products that I've been using and loving. And this week they sent a new internal glow cream. And to top it off, they sent some glow chai. So we're going to make some tea because it is supposed to be good for my skin too. Inspired by the internal glow cream. The saffron glow chai contains, I'm not going to say that word, antioxidant powerhouse saffron, which helps support skin's hydration and radiance. So we're going to try that. And yes, I should be able to see with my glasses on. Except the lighting down here is really terrible. Anyway, let's take a look at the cream. Same packaging. There we go. Oh, this one is smells a little bit different than the other creams that I've been using. But I think this is going to be a perfect addition to skincare routine. So we're going to try this one out. We'll share it with you a little bit later. Next up, I want to talk about a cool little company out of Halifax, Nova Scotia. So Botanical Bliss sent this cute little PR package to me. And when I opened it up, anyway, I was very curious about this first. Like, is it a little pouch to carry my creams in? I don't know. So I wasn't sure what it was for. So I went on their website to check. It's a scrub mitt. So you put the soap right in the mitt, and then it kind of gives you an exfoliating treatment. So they sent me their cleansing soap bar, and as well, they sent their nourishing body lotion and their moisturizing face cream. 100% naturally derived ingredients with an expiration date. Anyway, we're going to try these out and then share the results. Quite excited. And I always love supporting local, love supporting Canadian. And FYI, just in case you did not know, I'm actually originally from the east coast of Canada, from New Brunswick. Spent a lot of time in Halifax, so it's fun to share that one. Next up, very excited, L'Oreal Age Perfect Collagen Expert. Really excited about these two creams. Get the right side here for you. They have the Age Perfect Collagen Expert Retightening Night Moisturizer and the Age Perfect Collagen Expert Retightening Moisturizer for day night. Just open this up quickly. Let's take a fun little peek and see what they have, because who doesn't love looking at new skincares? Nice packaging. Ooh, oh, look at that. Oh, smells good. Very rich. Oh, now it's on my fingers. I can't really show you. Now I'm going to put it on my hand. feels good. Skincare always feels good to me. If there's one thing Linda is hooked on, other than shoes and cruises, it is skincare. Because, let's be perfectly frank, I am 61. This is my skin. I do have some makeup on today. L'Oreal stuff. But this is 61. And this is a 61-year-old who has always moisturized her skin, tried to take care of herself, baked my body in the sun too. Always wore sunscreen and fake tanner, but I still baked my body. So that created some age spots. Got a big one. Not happy about that. Anyway, we will try to prevent any more from happening in the future. And finally, we received this awesome package from Byoma. And I have been using Byoma. Let's pull it all out and see what we have. So, we have some barrier repair treatment. We have the hydrating milky toner. I've been using this. We have the barrier repair eye cream. Creamy jelly cleanser. I just love their packaging. It's so fun. Hydrating recovery oil. I've been using this last few nights. Trying it out. We've got the Phytomucin Glow Serum. And we have moisturizing gel cream. Full and complete line. As I said, the barrier boosting skincare line, driven by science, powered by actives for the ultimate skin compatible solution. Made of gentle skin compatible ingredients that strike the perfect balance between respecting the skin's barrier function with credible evidence of efficacy. Who doesn't love that? Anyway, 4 fun new lines to try. Well, they're not new lines. I've tried actually every one of them except for Botanical Bliss. This one is new to me. But anyway, we're going to try them all out and share them all here on my channel. So if you've got any comment or questions about any of the products that I've just shared with you, just drop a comment down below and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. Anyway, thanks for listening. Linda from A Labor of Life. Give me a double tap, maybe follow, find out more fun things that I am learning and discovering in my new journey as a boomer that apparently is not a boomer anymore because they just split our generations apart. Anyway, 61, this is my skin, this is me, and I will see you on the net.